Good morning, students. Welcome to revision class of ELGA 4. Today, we will revise Unit 3. Earlier 2 days, you have revised Unit 3 in 2 parts. Today, we will revise again Unit 3 and solve this worksheet. And through this worksheet, you can understand how you have to attempt your midterm exam as well. So let's get started. The first question is about multiple choice questions. So let's read it. In multiple choice questions given, and then we think which option is correct, and we will tick only on one correct option. So the first question is the correct blend for dash EEP is. So we have to complete the word using the correct blend. So the first blend is slur. Second is skr. Third is spur. So we will match which will fit correctly. Slur, then eep, sleep. So here the answer should be slur blend means A. So see, in this way we will fill the blank and afterwards we will tick on the correct option. You can see that I have ticked only one option and don't put my pencil on any other option. So you have to tick the only one answer, not the many answers, because in MCQ we will choose only one correct option. So let's see the second question. The correct blend for dash IDER is. So let's see which is the correct blend for this. Stir, skr or spur. So here the correct blend is spur. Spur and eider is spider. So we will tick on the spur blend. ATER is sm, spur, swar. So here the correct answer is swar and the word becomes sweater. So we will tick on swar blend. Let's move to next question. Question is, what is the picture mostly about? Here is a picture given. You have to look at the picture and think in your mind what is the picture saying, what the characters are doing in the picture. So what is the picture mostly about? Is it about cooking? Is it about sleeping? Or is it about dancing? So here you think that when your mother is in kitchen, what she is doing? Is she sleeping, dancing or cooking? So the correct answer is cooking. We will tick on cooking. Next question. What is the picture mostly about? So here is a picture of a classroom. So in classroom, children are studying, children are laughing, children are running. So we can see this picture is mostly about children are studying. So we will take on children are studying. Next, complete the sentence. I dash television in the evening. So which whole word fits good here? I read television in evening, I hold television in evening, or I watch रात में टेलीविज़न देखते हैं शाम में. Next question. What is the meaning of the underlined word? The sentence is they bump into each other. So the underlined word is bump. So you have to think that what is the meaning of bump. In your story, the cricket match, you have read this word bump. So the meaning is hit while running or laughing or looking. So the correct answer is hit while running. So let's move towards the next question. Next is fill in the blanks. Here some options are given in the brackets with each sentence. So you have to choose the correct option and then fill in the blanks. The first question is the dash moon shines at night. So moon is the one thing that is only one. So when something is special or one only, what we will put before it? We will put a moon will be, we will write, an moon we will write, or the moon we will write. So the correct answer is the moon shines at night. Next question. I want to eat dash orange. So I want to eat orange. So orange has a vowel sound in the beginning. So we will put an. I want to eat an. Dash Ganga is a holy river. So Ganga is the only river. So we will put the here. It is a special noun, proper noun. So we will put the before it. So the Ganga is a holy river. Next, I want to write dash letter. So I want to write, the letter is can be any letter. It can be in Hindi. I can write to anybody. So it's a very common noun. So we will put a here. I want to write a letter. Let's move to next question. I have dash pencils. So what I will write? I will write a cardinal number here or a cardinal number here or an ordinal number here. So I am not telling the position that where is the noun. I am telling how many nouns are there. So I have dash pencils. How many pencils I have? So I will put I have 3 pencils. So I will fill 3 here. Next is Rahul came dash in the race. Second or 2. So think when we came at any position in the race, so we will put where is the noun, and when we have to tell where is the noun, we will put the ordinal number. So here Rahul came second in the race. We will write Rahul came second in the race. Next is I like the dash picture of the album or one picture of the album. Here also we are telling the position of the noun, that where is the noun. So we will write I like the first picture of the album. Next is my father bought dash crayons for me. So here we are telling how many nouns. So we will put cardinal number here. My father brought 7 crayons for me. Now next question. Next question is match the same blending sound. So first is sleep. Here is the slur blending sound. So on the next side, we will look for the word which is having the same blending sound, that the word beginning with the slur blending sound. So we will match sleep with slow. Similarly, second is stare. So we will found where is the stir blend in the second side. So next is star. So we will match star with stair with the star. Then sweater. So sweater has the sw blend. So we will match it with the swing. Swing also has the sw blend. Similarly, we will do all these matching the same blending sounds. Now let's look at the another question. Next question is read the story and answer the questions. So here a story is given. So the story is about the new bicycle. So here is a girl who got a new bicycle. So let's read the story first. Sheena has a new bicycle. Bicycle is pink and it is very shiny. It was a gift from her father. So her father gifted her. She loves her. He gifted it on her birthday. So when the father gifted her the bicycle on her birthday, she loves her new bicycle. She likes her bicycle too much. She gave her father a big hug. So whenever we like something which our father or mother gifted us, we say thank you to them, we hug them. So similarly, she did. She loves her father, and we also love our parents, and she loves her father. So let's look at the questions and we will solve these questions. We will attempt these questions from the story only. So first is what is the story mostly about? So we read the story. It is story about the new bicycle of Sheena. So we will take on the new bicycle. It is not about the new toy, it is about the new bicycle. Next question, read the underlined word and tell its meaning. So here is the sentence in which I have underlined a word. So we will read it. She loves her father. So think, what is the meaning of love? Love means to like somebody or to hate somebody. Means जब हमें कोई अच्छा लगता है या कोई बुरा लगता है. When we love somebody. So it can be to like somebody. When we like somebody, we say gifted bicycle to Sheena. So look at the third line. It was a gift from her father. So here, who is gifting the bicycle to Sheena? Her father. So we will write her father gifted her bicycle. Next question, what is the color of the bicycle? So in second question point of the story, you can see it is bright pink and shiny. So we will write the answer. The color of bicycle was pink. Next question, complete the sentence. Here is the question written. You have to complete the answer of the question. So when Sheena got her gift, when means कब, उसको कब gift मिला. He gifted it on her birthday. When she got her gift, she got the gift on birthday. So we will complete the sentence by looking in the story. He gifted it on her birthday. Let's move towards the next question and the last one. Here is the question, give one word answer or two words answer. So give answer in one or two words. So first is write any two whole words. You can write any two whole words from the unit which you have learnt in this unit. So I have mentioned two words and you can write any word of your choice which came in unit 3. The first I have written is again and second is read. Next, do we read them as it is. we don't use any letter sound. So the answer for this question will be no. No, we do not use any letter sounds to read whole words. Next question, write two cardinal number. Any two cardinal numbers you can write. Cardinal number are those numbers which tell how many are the nouns. So you can write 3, 5, any number of your choice. Next is write two ordinal number. So ordinal numbers are those numbers which tells where is the noun, which tells the position of the noun. So we will write third, fifth, any ordinal number, second, fourth, seventh, any ordinal number of your choice you can write. Last question is, which article we use before a singular noun starting with vowel sound? When a noun is starting with a vowel sound, we use an before it. So we will write an. We will use an before a singular noun which is starting with the vowel sound. So I hope you have understood all the questions properly, and I want all of you to revise these questions and see the video again to remember how you will attempt the question paper, and read unit from your work SR and workbook, and attempt the worksheet I am sending with this video in your revision notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy learning.